How to add contact in the Bereal application. If you have been using the Bereal app and wondering on how to add contacts on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Bereal application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home page. Now to add contacts, here you can find friends option at the bottom. Now select it. Then scroll down and here you can find your contacts right here. Now you can simply invite them by tapping onto this invite button. Select it. And after tapping onto invite, simply send this link to that person. And they will accept your invitation and you will simply be friends and you will add contact. Now do the same process and you can simply add the contacts in the Bereal app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.